Good morning. Today we are going to learn Unpivot option in Power BI. So let's start today's topic. Here is the sample data for today's assignment. So some columns are there, just like local ID, location, date, age group, and etc. And here last two columns are population of male and population of female. So we have to unpivot these last two columns for our assignment purpose. So let us see how to unpivot in Power BI. First, we upload this data into the Power BI desktop. Select Excel workbook. File name is Video-13. Sheet name is Unpivot, and click on Transform Data. Before apply Unpivot to our data, we have to clean our data. So I'm going to delete unwanted rows and unwanted data from our database. So first, click on remove rows, remove top rows, and I want to remove first row only. Click on OK button. Then again go to transform tab, use first row as headers, select this option. It automatically convert first row into header. So data is ready now. So in transform tab we can find unpivot columns option. So if you click on that downward arrow, so you can find these three options. Basically unpivot columns and unpivot only selected columns are same. It gives same result. So first we see first option, unpivot columns. For that we have to select last two columns, go to unpivot columns and click on unpivot columns. So you can see it convert two columns into one column and gives respective female and male population for first record, where local ID is 4 and location is Afghanistan. So this is the advantage of unpivot columns. Again we check next option. Again you have to select last two columns, unpivot only selected columns. So it gives same result like a last step, like a last option. And third and last option, for that you have to select all columns where we don't want to apply unpivot option. So I have already selected all columns. Go to unpivot columns and just select unpivot other columns, means remaining two columns. So you can see same result we got while applying all three options in unpivot columns. So this is done for unpivot topic. So kindly share, like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel Jobs at Punyanagari. Thank you.